Winter doesn't have to be a season to hide away. Imagine finishing the year stronger, fitter, and more disciplined than ever. That's the WinterArc, a 90-day self-improvement challenge that can transform your life before the new year even starts. Here's how to complete it, step by step. The WinterArc is all about building habits, routines, and discipline. Unlike New Year's resolutions, it starts in fall and gives you a head start. You'll focus on your mind, body, and productivity to enter the new year already ahead. Step 1. Set your goals. First, pick 1 to 3 goals. Don't overwhelm yourself. Choose what will make the biggest impact. Maybe it's working out 4 times a week, reading a book per month, or improving your productivity. Clear goals equals clear focus. Step 2. Build your daily routine. Next, create a daily routine. Start simple. Wake up at a consistent time. Exercise or move your body. Journal or plan your day. Work on your goal for 30 to 60 minutes. Consistency is the secret. Even small daily actions add up over 90 days. Step 3. Track progress. Step 3 is tracking your progress. Use a habit tracker, a calendar, or a journal. Each completed day is a win. Seeing progress keeps you motivated and accountable. Step 4. Digital declutter. Step 4 is digital decluttering. Remove distractions. Clean up your phone, email, and social media. A clear space creates a clear mind, helping you stay focused on your WinterArc goals. Step 5. Reflect weekly. Finally, reflect every week. Ask yourself, what went well? What could be better? Adjust your routine as needed. Reflection prevents burnout and keeps you improving steadily. The WinterArc isn't about perfection, it's about progress and consistency. Commit to 90 days, follow these steps, and you'll end the year with better habits, discipline, and a stronger version of yourself. Ready to start your WinterArc? Comment your first goal below and subscribe for more tips to level up your life this winter.